Sage Intacct has just seen its third update of 2025, and in this video we are going to talk about some of the biggest new features and changes that were included. Now the update is very large and we couldn't possibly discuss every single thing that was changed, so we're only going to be talking about some of the biggest new aspects of the update. All of the things we are talking about are also applicable to users in the UK. We have made several videos in the past about other updates to Sage Intacct, and if you'd like to watch those as well, then please use the links in the description. Now let's carry on and talk about Sage Intacct and what was included in the R3 update. Enhanced lists will now become the default for your company, although this change is being rolled out in phases and may not be available right away. Enhanced lists allow for a greater level of control and customization than was previously possible. So you can now move, edit, resize, and freeze columns, as well as saving columns as a preset for future use. You can now use advanced filters as well as and or operators to help filter down data, and you can then save these filters as well for future use. Enhanced lists offer a multitude of ways to speed up and improve your day-to-day tasks, helping to save you time. Sage Intelligent Time, SIT, is an AI-powered timesheet in Sage Intacct, and the R3 update included several new features to this as well. You can now customize the timesheet entry grid, giving you more control over how time is entered and displayed. You can now also create overtime rules for employees for payroll and project billing. When an employee clocks out, the system will automatically calculate any overtime, and this is then visible on the employee's timesheet and time clock. The aim of this is to help speed up and simplify the task of payroll. Sage Copilot, the AI-powered assistant in Sage Intacct, has seen several new updates too. Search Help, the search engine in Copilot, now better understands the nuances of words and phrases around Sage Intacct to help deliver you better results. Search time has also been drastically reduced, and results now include related topics and articles that may better help your understanding of the topic. If you would like to learn more about Sage Copilot, recently we wrote a summary blog post of it that explains all of the benefits and how it could better help your business to speed up processes. There is a link in the description if you would like to read it. The Sage Intacct 2025 R3 update was so packed with new features and changes that in this video we've only been able to cover a small fraction of what was included. To find out more about the update or Sage Intacct in general, please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.